to log into your YNAB account after forgetting password. So here, the very first thing you want to do is simply install the YNAB application on your phone. So once you install it, you will successfully be able to open it. And once you open it here, you will actually be able to get into this page where you can simply tap on the option I already have an YNAB account. So once you get into that option here, you can either continue with any of those platforms. If you have used any of those platforms to create your account, you can tap on them and do that. Or if you have created your account manually, you can type in the email address and the password of your account. Once you write in both of the credentials of your account, you can simply tap on login. And just like that, you'll successfully be able to log into your YNAB account. But here, unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option right here. Then you'll be able to write in your email address. And when you tap on send reset instruction, you'll actually be able to get a reset link on your email. So simply open your email inbox, and there you'll be able to follow all of the given on-screen prompt after tapping on that link, and simply reset your password like that. And then you can come back to your login page and use your new password in order to log into your account like that.